Welcome back to the garage. Today is the day I think we finally start tearing into the Project Atlas swap truck. Now this is my 1978 Ford F600 four-wheel drive. The weather's pretty decent today. It's not raining really bad and it's not 105 with the heat index, so I think I'm going to set the camera up. We'll see what I can get accomplished on this today. Now you all have probably already heard me talking about how much I love doing wiring. You can kind of see how somebody's gotten in here already to hook up trailer lights and all kinds of other add-ons to this truck. The wiring's butchered up pretty good on the back side of this truck, so I'm just kind of getting in here and clipping these wires out of the way. Like I said, this project's going to basically need rewired when it's done. Okay, now that the wires are all cut and tucked up out of the way, it's time to turn some attention to these U-bolts. Now I cut these a couple weeks ago and the tension was relieved out of these whenever I cut them, but still a good idea if you're messing around with something like this to wear some safety glasses. And now it's just time to take the old big fancy hammer here and knock these off the frame. Now before I forget, if you would please check out my buddies at Central Oregon Shenanigans and the Fox Shop. Both of those channels have helped me out tremendously here on YouTube, basically from day one. They've gave me a lot of views, a lot of subscribers, and I'm just trying to return the favor. Both of those channels have a lot of great content, and I'll list them down in the video description below. Check them out. If you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe to them. Just please do me a favor, drop down in their comment section, and tell them Zane sent you. was actually a little bit worried that the International high lift wouldn't lift that bed off of this frame, but I'm pretty impressed. Done a lot better job than I thought it would have. So now I've got my scraper and I got a trash can down here because you can see there's quite a bit of rust on this frame from when that wood sat in between the frame of the truck and the bed. So I'm going to scrape all this off into this trash can. That way when I drive this truck back over there, it won't end up all over the yard. Now luckily the weather held out and I was able to get some work done on this project before it got too hot and miserable outside. I know everyone is anxious to see this project worked on, and I'm definitely anxious to work on this project myself. There will be some changes along the way, and I do plan on doing a future video where we'll go back to the drawing board and I'll try to illustrate what I plan on doing differently, but at the same time there will also be some elements of surprise mixed in there as well. YouTube is a great platform to get some inspiration, and the inspiration from this project comes from a channel that's been on here for a long time. Now, JC Smith Projects is a channel that's been on YouTube for years. JC Smith has his own business where he buys heavy-duty trucks and he'll convert them over to dump trucks, rollbacks. I mean, this guy is a wealth of knowledge. He works on heavy-duty trucks and he definitely knows what he's doing. He just so happened to run across my channel a few weeks back, and he gave me some shout outs on his channel that's given me subscribers and a lot of views, so I want to try to do the same for his channel as well. If you by chance haven't heard of his channel, I'll link it down in the video description below. Go ahead and check him out. He's a wealth of knowledge, and if you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe to him. But thanks a lot for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment or a question down below. Consider subscribing if this is the kind of content that you're into. And just a friendly reminder that it doesn't matter if you're working on your project in a garage or in your driveway. What matters is that you go out there, you do the job yourself, and you learn more about your project, whatever that project may be. Now that this video is over, how about you go outside and work on something? My name is Zane, and I'll catch you next time.